This 2020 Regency BROUGHAM 25 MB is a Class C RV. It is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 73127 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Regency is 25 feet 1 inch in length and features sleeps 2, TV, air conditioning, microwave, oven, awning, LP detector, carbon monoxide detector, smoke detector, stove top burner, refrigerator, and 26 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features front entertainment, rear bath. This 2020 Regency BROUGHAM 25 MB is built on a Mercedes Benz Sprinter 3500 chassis and is powered by a Mercedes Benz engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.